Hey, hi, welcome to my channel and you are watching Pradeep Malik and particularly today with topic non-food crops. The previous session I have tried to explain about horticulture food crops and today I have come with new topic that is non-food crops, and of course we have discussed in horticulture food crops. We said there are vegetables and fruits, they come under horticulture crops, but today we are talking about non-food crops, which means the crops which are not come under grains or horticulture. So these non-food crops are as important as the food crops. So now let us try to understand what they are really are. So now first of all we start with some information or some inklings. Uh, every day we use certain things. When we get up, we use toothpaste. When we go to school, wear shoes. We take books, papers, and we also use clothes. So, have you ever thought of these things? Where do they come from? Yes. Now we will discuss about these things, from where they are coming from, or from where do they come from. We see today actually they come from the non-food crops. So before we start one by one, now we'll understand the meaning of non-food crops. These non-food crops are the crops which we cannot eat, but they are very useful in our day-to-day life or in our daily life. Okay, so which means non-food crops are those crops which are not grains or we don't eat them, but they are very much useful in our daily life. So first one is rubber. Okay, first one is rubber. So it is most important industrial material in the or non-food crop. So now we'll understand where does it grow. Okay, this particular crop or rubber, it grows in the equatorial places. Now when we talk about equatorial places, let us try to understand the climate of that place. Usually in equatorial places the climate is very hot as well as heavy rainfall. So in those areas we will find such forest like evergreen forest, and in that areas we will find this crop is growing or rubber crop is grown or plantation takes place. Now it needs heavy rainfall annually, 200 centimeters rainfall needs, as well as the hot climate or high temperature, which is always should be above 25 degree Celsius. Okay, now if we talk of about our country, in India, where do we find such climate? Is that Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and islands like Andaman, Nicobar, and in the eastern side like Garo Hills of Meghalaya. So these are the places in India rubber plantation takes place. Okay, now we will see how they are useful, how these rubber trees are useful, or how do they use. So now rubber trees or rubber plantation, they help us to make footwears or vehicle tires, okay, industrial goods as well. So before conclude with the rubber, now let us try to see how the rubber is collected. Now imagine this is a rubber plant or rubber tree. Now when they want to cultivate the rubber collect the rubber milk, now first of all they will cut the tree or they will cut the some portion of tree and make one kind of canal, and under that they put latex cup. So this is the cup
where the milk from the tree falls down and gathers there until a little bit of dries and taken up later by the cultivator. So that is how the rubber is cultivated. Okay, so now we will see that was the rubber, and another most